Wildlife of Pakistan, Flora and Fauna and the Natural Habitats. Wildlife can also be termed as a series of non-domesticated plant and animal life. Habitats of flora and fauna. Northern Highlands and Plains. The Northern Highlands include lower elevation areas of Potohar and Kashmir regions and higher elevation areas embracing the foothills of Himalayan, Karakoram and Hindu Kush mountain ranges. These areas provide an excellent habitat for wildlife in the form of alpine grazing lands, subalpine scrub and temperate forests. The areas are difficult for human beings to access, hence, most wildlife is present in reasonable numbers, though some are endangered for other reasons. The Northern Highlands of Pakistan are covered with conifer and scrub forests which have been reduced to scanty growth in most places. The biome is defined as northwestern Himalayan alpine shrub and meadows. Some of the wildlife species found on northern mountainous areas and Potohar Plateau include the non-threatened mammal species of Baral, Eurasian lynx, Himalayan goral, Indian leopard, Marco Polo sheep, marmot and yellow-throated martin, and bird species of chaka partridge, Eurasian eagle owl, Himalayan monal and Himalayan snowcock, and amphibian species of Himalayan toad and Murray Hills frog. The threatened ones include Asiatic black bear, Himalayan brown bear, Indian wolf, Kashmir grey langur, Kashmir red deer, Markhor, rhesus macaque, Siberian ibex, smooth-coated otter, snow leopard and white-bellied musk deer, bird species of cheer pheasant, peregrine falcon, western tragopan, and reptile species of mugger crocodile. Indus plains and deserts of Sindh. River Indus and its numerous eastern tributaries of Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej, Jhelum, Beas are spread across most of Punjab. The plain of River Indus continues towards and occupy most of western Sindh. The plains have many fluvial landforms that support various natural biomes including tropical and subtropical dry and moist broadleaf forestry as well as tropical and xeric shrublands. The banks and stream beds of the river system also support riparian woodlands that exhibit the tree species of kikar, mulberry and shisham. The reed beds and tamarisk bushes along the rivers are also present. Such geographical landforms accompanied by an excellent system of monsoon climate provides an excellent ground for diversity of flora and fauna species. However, the plains are equally appealing to humans for agricultural goals and development of civilization. Vast Indus floodplains have been cleared of natural vegetation to grow crops. This has caused only a few species to become endangered. Some of the non-threatened mammal species includes the nilgai, red fox and wild boar, bird species of Alexandrine parakeet, barn owl, black-kite, myna, hoopoe, Indian peafowl, Indian leopard, red-vented bulbul, rock pigeon, shelduck and shikra, reptile species of Indian cobra, Indian star tortoise, syndicate and yellow monitor, and amphibian species of Indus Valley bullfrog and Indus Valley toad. Some of the threatened mammal species include the axis deer, Indian elephants, Asian golden cats, black buck, hog deer, dholes, Indian rhinoceros, Punjab urial and Sindh ibex, bird species of white-backed vulture, and reptile species of black pond turtle and gharial. Grey partridge is one of the few birds that can be found in the Kholistan Desert. The Tharparkar Desert supports a fair population of the chinkara. The Indian wild ass migrates from the Indian part of the Great Rann of Kutch to the part in Pakistan in search of food. Wild boar numbers have increased because of the immunity they enjoy in a Muslim society that forbids its consumption by humans. There are also rumors of tigers in the area, and recently, a wild Bengal tiger was caught near the area of Sialkot, Western Highlands, Plains and Deserts Western region of Pakistan, most of which is enveloped in Balochistan province, has a complex geography. In mountainous highlands, habitat varies from conifer forests of Deodai in Waziristan and juniper in Ziyarat. Numerous mountain ranges surround the huge lowland plains of Balochistan Plateau, through which a rather intricate meshwork of seasonal rivers and salt pans is spread. Deserts are also present, showing xeric shrubland vegetation in the region. Date palms and ephedra are common flora varieties in the desert. Some of the mammal species include the caracal, Balochistan dormouse, Balochistan leopard, Blanford's fox, dromedary camel, goited gazelle, Indian crested porcupine, long-eared hedgehog, markhor, rattle, Persian leopard and striped hyena, and occasional sightings of the Asiatic cheetah. Bird species of bearded vulture, hubra busted and merlin, reptile species of leopard gecko and saw-scaled viper, and amphibian species of Balochistan toad. Wetlands, coastal regions and marine life. There are a number of protected wetlands in Pakistan. These include Tanda Dam and Tanada Wala in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Chashma Barrage, Taunsa Barrage and Uchali Complex in Punjab, Halgi Lake, Hub Dam and Kinja Lake in Sindh, Miani Hor in Balochistan. The wetlands are a habitat for migratory birds such as Dalmatian pelicans and demoiselle crane, as well as predatory species of osprey, common kingfisher, fishing cat and leopard cat near the coastline. Chashma and Taunsa Barrage Dolphin Sanctuary protects the threatened species of Indus River dolphins, which tend to live in fresh water. The coastline of Pakistan is 1,050 kilometers long and consists of a variety of habitat types, supporting a wide range of animals, of which over 1,000 are fish species in the reefs of its continental shelf. The east half of the coast of Pakistan is located in the south of Sindh province, which features Indus River Delta and coast of Great Rann of Kutch. The largest saltwater wetland in Pakistan is the Indus River Delta. Unlike many other river deltas, it consists of clay soil and is very swampy. West coast of Great Rann of Kutch, east to the Indus River Delta and below Tharparkar Desert, is one of the few places where greater flamingos come to breed. It is also a habitat for endangered species of Les florican. Unlike Indus River Delta, this part of the coast is not as swampy and exhibits shrubland vegetation of rather dry thorny shrubs as well as marsh grasses of Apaluda and Centrus. The vegetation of Indus River Delta is mainly represented by various mangrove species and bamboo species. The Indus River Delta Arabian Sea mangroves is a focused ecoregion of WWF. Nearly 95% of the mangroves located in the Indus River Delta are of the species Avicennia marina. Very small patches of Cerops roxburghiana and Ltshears corniculata are found. These provide nesting grounds for common snakehead, giant snakehead, Indus barrel and many species of catfish like Rita. The hilsa swims up from the Arabian Sea to spawn in freshwater. Species that are important to people as food, such as the golden marcia and large freshwater shrimp, are part of the abundant aquatic life. The west half of the Pakistan coast is in the south of Balochistan province. It is also called the Makran Coast and exhibits protected sites such as Astala Island and Hingal National Park. The three major mangrove plantations of Balochistan coast are Miani Hor, Kalmat Khor and Guata Bay. Miani Hor is a swampy lagoon on the coast in the Lasbla district where the climate is very arid. The sources of fresh water for Miani Hor are the seasonal river of Porali, The nearest river to the other lagoon, Kalmat Khor, is the Basel River. Galatar, the third site, is an open bay with a mouth almost as wide as its length. Its freshwater source is the Dasht River, the largest seasonal river of Balochistan. All three bays support mainly a marina species of mangrove. Pakistan also plans to rehabilitate mangrove-degraded areas at Sonmiani and Jiwani in Balochistan, along the shores of Astana and Ormara beaches of Balochistan and Hawk Bay and Sanspit beaches of Sindh, and nesting sites for 5 endangered species of sea turtles, green sea, loggerhead, hawksbill, olive ridley and leatherback. Sea snakes such as yellow-bellied sea snake are also found in the pelagic zone of the sea. The wetlands of Pakistan are also a home to the endangered species of gharial and mugger crocodile who prefer freshwater habitat. Image gallery. National symbols.